Hey there, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jenna, and this channel is about helping you better understand nutrition, exercise, and leading a healthier lifestyle so you can feel strong and create the body you want inside and out. Alright, I know so many of you are looking for simple yet highly effective exercises to target those stubborn areas like your inner and outer thighs, but it can be difficult to know which exercises work which muscles and what exercises to actually do. Whether you're looking to slim down your thighs, strengthen them, or make them look more toned and sculpted, I've got 3 exercises for you. These exercises will help you tighten and shape them with no equipment at all to give you that lean, defined, strong look. Now, I know life can get busy and finding time to work out or go to the gym isn't always easy. Well, the good news is you don't need a gym and you don't need equipment to get fantastic results. All you need is yourself, 15 minutes of your time, and some determination. I've put together 3 exercises that specifically target different areas of your quads, your inner, your outer, and your full quad, so you can complete a workout at home that hits every angle. Trust me, consistency is key, and by adding these to your weekly routine, you'll start to see your thighs getting tighter and toned in no time. Before we jump into these exercises though, I want to remind you that building muscle definition takes time, so don't expect instant results. You need to be prepared to put in the work for the long haul and not just expect results in a few days or weeks. That's lazy thinking and it doesn't work. If you stay consistent and combine these exercises with good nutrition habits, you will get results over time. Be patient with it and make it a lifestyle, okay? It's a non-negotiable part of your routine. Okay, so let's dive into these 3 thigh tightening exercises that you can do at home with no equipment. The first exercise is targeting your inner thighs, the sumo squat. This is a great move to help tighten the inner thigh area while also still working your quads and glutes. Here's how to do it. Start by standing with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Engage your core and lower your body into a squat, making sure your knees stay in line with your toes. You want to push your hips slightly back and down, but don't hunch forward. Press through your heels to come back up to the starting position. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight right throughout the movement. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps with a 1-minute break in between sets. Next up, we're going to focus on the outer thighs with single leg hip abductions. This is such an amazing move for tightening the outer thigh and hip area, and here's how to do it. Lie down on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Keeping your top leg straight, lift it, making sure not to twist your hips. Then lower it back down slowly. Keep your glutes squeezed and keep your upper body straight. When you lower it back down, make sure that you don't touch the bottom leg. Keep it slightly raised. Again, for this, do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps with a 1-minute break in between sets. If you want, you can make this move more difficult. In fact, you can make any of these moves more difficult by adding dumbbells. For this one, hold a dumbbell on the thigh that's working, and as you raise up, the dumbbell is adding the extra resistance, the extra weight to it, which makes it harder to perform. This exercise really targets the gluteus medius and the outer thigh area, helping to lift and tighten those muscles. I really love this one because it's super effective with no equipment needed, and you can just do it lying down if you're watching TV. Finally, we're going to finish with a killer for the full thigh, and that is the Bulgarian split squat. This exercise hits your quads, hamstrings, and glutes all in one move. It's perfect for building strength and tightening up the whole lower body. When I do this, I always end up with the sorest legs for the next few days, especially when I do it with dumbbells. Start by standing a couple feet away from a bench or elevated surface and place one foot on the bench behind you. Lower your hips into a lunge position. Push through your front heel to come back up, engaging your thighs and glutes. Keep your back straight as you do this and shoulders pressed back. Switch legs after completing your set. For this one, it's a little more challenging to do and places more resistance on your leg. So you want to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on each leg. There you have it. These 3 exercises, sumo squat, single leg hip abductions, and the Bulgarian split squat, are key exercises to tightening and toning your quads. Are they the only exercises out there that work? No, of course not. But you only need a few good exercises and do them consistently to get results. One tip that I must give you is that it is super important to apply progressive overload as you progress through your training. This means increasing the intensity of the exercise in some way, either by doing more sets doing more reps, or you can add some weights like holding dumbbells or using a resistance band. Without applying progressive overload, you're going to find that over time, the exercise will become too easy for you to perform and you'll stop seeing progress, okay? You'll hit a plateau. So that's why it's so important to keep challenging yourself, keep challenging your muscles to grow and strengthen. If you're ready to really take your fitness to the next level and transform this year, skip all the guesswork. I highly recommend starting a program. This will not only keep you accountable, but it's all laid out for you so that you are guaranteed to get results. By becoming a JCF member, you get instant access to all of my best at-home workout programs that require little to no equipment at all. Skip all the guesswork and let me do it for you. It's all linked there in the description. If you enjoyed this video, guys, I would really appreciate you liking, subscribe to stay updated and for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.